Welcome to Agriculture Discover. When people think of New Zealand agriculture, one fruit stands out above all others: kiwi fruit. Small in size, yet massive in global impact. New Zealand now exports over 500,000 tons of kiwi fruit each year, generating more than $1.5 billion in export value, and supplying markets across Asia, Europe, and North America. From the coastal orchards of Bay of Plenty to advanced processing facilities, the journey of a single kiwi reflects decades of agricultural innovation, precision farming, and global logistics. Today we explore how farmers grow, harvest, and process millions of kiwi fruits, and why New Zealand remains the world's leader in this industry. Kiwi farming begins long before the first vine bears fruit. Farmers carefully select land with well-drained soil, mild temperatures, and protection from strong winds. Ideal soil pH ranges between 6.0 and 6.5, allowing roots to absorb nutrients efficiently while avoiding water stress. Before planting, fields are enriched with organic matter and biofertilizers to improve structure and fertility. Drainage systems are checked thoroughly since kiwis are highly sensitive to waterlogging. One of the most critical early investments is the trellis system. Strong wooden or steel posts are installed in rows connected by horizontal wires. These structures support heavy vines, distribute fruit evenly, and keep clusters off the ground, improving sunlight exposure, airflow, and disease control. Kiwi vines are typically planted in early spring or autumn when temperatures are cool and stable. Spacing is generous. Rows are often 4 to 5 meters apart, with individual plants spaced 5 to 6 meters apart. This allows vines to expand freely and simplifies maintenance and harvesting. We're also plan male to female vine ratios carefully. Since kiwis require cross-pollination, male vines are strategically planted to ensure reliable fruit set throughout the orchard. In the early years, growth regulators and biological stimulants may be used to strengthen vines, improve root establishment, and enhance resistance to environmental stress. Once established, kiwi vines enter an intensive care phase. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the root zone, maintaining consistent moisture while reducing waste. During dry seasons, precise irrigation prevents fruit stress and uneven sizing. Nitrogen plays a major role in leaf and vine development, while potassium supports fruit formation and sugar accumulation. Fertilization schedules are adjusted throughout the season based on growth stage and soil testing. Pruning becomes essential from the second year onward. Farmers remove weak, overcrowded, or unproductive branches, allowing the plant to focus energy on fruit-bearing shoots. Proper canopy management improves airflow, reduces fungal pressure, and ensures uniform fruit quality. Kiwi vines bloom between October and December, producing clusters of white, fragrant flowers. Natural pollination relies heavily on bees, but commercial orchards often go further to guarantee high yields. Collected pollen is dried, filtered, and stored under controlled conditions. During peak flowering, mechanized pollen sprayers distribute pollen evenly across vines, dramatically improving pollination efficiency. This hybrid approach, combining nature and technology, ensures consistent fruit set even under challenging weather conditions. Unlike many fruits, kiwis do not fully ripen on the vine. Harvest timing is determined by sugar content measured using Brix meters, along with firmness and internal flavor development. Harvest usually begins when fruit reaches optimal maturity, firm enough for long-distance shipping, yet ready to ripen evenly during storage. Traditionally, kiwis are harvested by hand. Skilled workers carefully inspect each fruit, checking firmness, size, and skin color before gently twisting it from the vine, carefully placing it into padded bins to prevent bruising. However, it is labor-intensive, time-consuming, and increasingly challenged by labor shortages and rising costs. In recent years, robotic harvesting systems have begun entering orchards. Equipped with AI cameras, 3D sensors, and flexible robotic arms, these machines identify ripe fruit by size, color, and position. Harvest speeds can reach 500 to 1,000 fruits per hour, reducing labor demand while maintaining gentle handling. While robots are not yet a full replacement for human labor, they represent a growing solution for large-scale operations facing workforce shortages. After harvest, kiwis are transported to processing facilities within hours. The first step is gentle washing. Kiwis move through water channels and soft brush systems that remove dirt and surface residues without damaging the skin. Clean circulating water prepares the fruit for accurate inspection. Next, the fruit enters automated grading lines. Cameras and sensors scan each kiwi for size, color, shape, and visible defects. Based on these readings, the kiwis are sorted into quality categories: premium fruit for export, standard grades for local markets, and lower grades for processing. Trained workers perform final checks to ensure consistency and food safety. This combination of technology and human experience helps maintain uniform quality and protects the reputation of kiwi fruit in global markets. To preserve freshness, kiwis are stored in controlled atmosphere cold rooms. Temperature, humidity, and oxygen levels are carefully regulated, allowing fruit to remain fresh for months without compromising quality. From here, shipments move to international ports, supplying markets such as China, Japan, Europe, and North America, often arriving thousands of kilometers away in near-perfect condition. Beyond fresh fruit, a significant portion of kiwis enters juice production. Selected fruit is washed, peeled, and pressed to extract pure juice. Filtration removes solids while preserving natural flavor and nutrients. The juice is gently heat-treated to ensure food safety and extend shelf life, then bottled under hygienic conditions. Some products remain 100% pure, while others may include minimal sugar or stabilizers depending on market preference. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C, potassium, fiber, and antioxidants supporting immunity, digestion, and heart health. Their nutritional value, combined with long shelf life and global demand, makes kiwi fruit one of the most valuable horticultural exports in the world. From carefully designed orchards to robotic harvesters and high-tech juice factories, the kiwi industry is a perfect example of modern agriculture at scale. Behind every fruit is a system built on science, patience, and innovation, and the dedication of thousands of farmers who turn a delicate vine into a global success. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more stories from the world of modern agriculture.